In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. If you've been using QuickBooks Online for a while, you might be more comfortable with the classic layout. Sometimes QuickBooks rolls out a newer interface, and it can feel a bit unfamiliar or harder to navigate when you just want to get your work done. The good news is that in many cases, you can still switch your reports back to that classic style that you're used to. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can keep working efficiently without having to relearn the whole layout. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different options like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, and so on. In that same panel, find and click on the option labeled Reports. This is where you'll access all the different financial reports available in your company file. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see a list of reports, often grouped by type, such as Favorites, Standard, and Custom reports. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific report you want to view in Classic mode. This might be something like a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or any other report you use regularly. Click on the name of that report to open it. When the report opens, it will likely appear in the newer QuickBooks Online view by default. Don't worry, this is where you can switch it back. Look toward the top area of the report screen. Along the top bar, you should see options for changing the date range, customizing the report, and running or refreshing it. In that same top section, look for a link that says Switch to Classic View. Once you've found that link, go ahead and click Switch to Classic View. After a moment, the report will reload and the layout should change to the classic style. You'll notice that buttons, filters, and the overall look feel more like the older version you're familiar with. From here, you can work with the report as you normally would, adjust your dates, customize the columns, and run or export the report while staying in that classic view. That's all you need to do to keep your QuickBooks Online reports in Classic View.